this tutorial, you will learn how to create your first blog using WordPress. Now, one of the things that I do when I create a blog is I start playing with what I want my URL to be. And URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. And what a URL is where people type in or click on the link to get to your site. So it's kind of important, and there can be only one. So everything has to be unique. So a lot of times what I do, sometimes they're called a domain. I type in different things that I like for what I might want my domain to be called. And this blog is not going to be about education since I have one in Blogger. This one, WordPress, I think lends itself more to what one of my hobbies is, and which is quilting. So what I typed in was learn create quilt and .com, and that was at the previous page, and it will give you a check mark if that domain name is available, or it will say it's not. Now by default, all of my URLs are going to say learncreatequilt.wordpress.com. It's still a WordPress document. If I want it to be a custom address, meaning it's my very own domain, nobody can use it, and I want learncreatequilt.com, it's going to cost me $18 per year. Or I can do any of these other ones. There's lots of new ones now, .me, .co, .org, or .net. So if I wanted to have that as my custom domain that no one else could use, I might add that, and then I would be charged $18. But for right now, I can always go back and do that. For right now, I don't want to spend any money because I'm not sure I'm going to keep up with this quilt website, so I'm going to say no thanks. And then it's going to take me to choosing a theme. Now, because I haven't worked with WordPress for very long, I'm going to look for something that's fairly basic. And I really don't see anything that's too basic, so I'm just going to pick what I like. And I would guess I could go, I'm going to probably pick this one. I could go and change it at some point in time because I really do like to customize what I do. So I'm setting up my theme. Which plan would you like to use? Of course, I'm going to select free because I'm not sure I'm going to keep up with this. And until I do, I'm not going to pay the premium. And since I'm not a business, I'm not going to pay for a business one. I know a lot of the big time Pinterest teachers on Pinterest, the bloggers, do the premium because they want that customization. But I'm going to select free because I'm good with free for right now. So here I can customize my site. It says thanks for signing up. You can check out our Zero to Hero guide and our support documentation. That might not be a bad thing. Otherwise, I think I'm just going to start with a post and do my first welcome post and what this blog is going to be about. So here's my site. I'm going to say, welcome to my new blog on quilting. And I could add media, but I'm just going to start typing a welcome. So go ahead and get your WordPress blog set up and figure out what you would like it named, and we have completed the first step. Enjoy!